Oh, we have microphones in here. It's listening to everything. I didn't realize that. Okay.
U.S. presidential candidate Kamala Harris was seen sharing a lighthearted moment over a beer with Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer in a Michigan bar this past weekend, following a rally in the key swing state. During their conversation, Harris seemed to momentarily forget about the presence of media, jokingly noting, "Oh, we have microphones in here. They're listening to everything." Upon realizing the media was capturing their exchange, Harris humorously added, "I didn't notice that. We just shared all the family secrets." She then raised her glass in a gesture of camaraderie with those at the bar in Kalamazoo, as Governor Whitmer playfully remarked that the city was being renamed Kalamazoo in honor of Harris.
Yeah. Oh, we have microphones in here. It's listening to everything. I didn't realize that. Okay. So, well,
You'll
now
bleep
you tell
my
us.
F words.
We just told all the family secrets. Shit. Anyway, it's good to see you.